How to add bookmarks menu on Mozilla Firefox. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily add the bookmark menu on the Firefox browser. First off, go ahead and open up your Firefox browser. And once you open it up, in order to get the bookmark menu option, as you can see here on the toolbar, I have a blank space. Just right click on that blank space and you'll have an option to customize your toolbar. And then from here, you'll get a bunch of options that you can add to your toolbar. For example, history, save page, print, find, open file, and many more. All you have to do now is find the bookmark menu option. Go ahead and drag this up here and then drop it on this bar. Let me just add a few more, something like settings. And once you add your settings menu here, you could also add screenshot for your shortcut. And that's pretty much it. And once you're done, click on this done option. And right here on the menu bar, I have the bookmark menu option. Click on it. And if you want to add bookmarks or manage your bookmarks, you can do it right from here. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically add the bookmark menu on toolbar on your Firefox. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.